Welcome to Linbis, the cloud-based freight forwarding solution designed to elevate your business operations to new heights of efficiency and success. Dive into an integrated world of transport management. Whether it's air, sea, ground freight, and consolidation, Linbis has got you covered with a suite of robust features. Say goodbye to operational delays. With just a click, convert quotes to shipments, ensuring a smooth flow of operations. With Linbis, handling complex shipping operations becomes a breeze. Whether it's creating Airway bills, managing bills of lading, or handling invoicing and bills, every feature is tailored to make your freight forwarding journey seamless and efficient. Manage inventory like a pro. Capture product images upon receipt, handle massive packages per hour, and track inventory accurately with Linbis. Embrace the ease of automated form generation. Linbis takes the hassle out of manual form filling, saving you time and reducing errors. The future of streamlined freight forwarding is here, and it's called Linbis. Start your free trial or book a demo today, and transform your freight operations like never before.